In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on the following device. So at first, just open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, now find and pick accessibility, and now go to screen reader. If you would like to activate it, just tap on the switcher and then click on allow. Double tap to select it, click on turn on.
Voice assistant on, screen reader.
And if you'd like to know how it works, just mark it here and listen to the information.
Is on, your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn voice assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off. Perform the same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears in list 5 items.
So basically all you have to do is to mark some particular icon once, listen what it actually is, and then double tap it if you want to select it. So let me do it with back button.
Navigate up button, not in list. Accessibility.
And then just mark
Hearing
something.
enhancements, adjust the audio to help your hearing, or use all advanced settings, manage direct access and other advanced functions.
And then to switch it off, just mark screen reader, double tap, click on voice assistant, double tap, and click on turn off, double tap. And it has been turned off. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use TalkBack, also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.